Be ready with your pencil so that you can read along with me by listening to me. It so happened that Androcles had gone out alone that day while the lion rested near the cave. Both of them fell into the hands of the soldiers. The soldiers took them back to the city. They put Androcles in chains in prison. The lion was caged. Every time they used to go together, but on that particular day, Androcles had gone alone, and the lion, it was recovering, so it was taking rest near its cave. And what happened then? The soldiers captured Androcles. Androcles was put in chain. Even the lion was captured. You must be wondering how the lion was captured. We know that he was able to walk slowly, but then he couldn't run or he couldn't attack the soldiers as he was injured. So both of them were captured. Androcles was put in chain and the lion was put in a cage. Second paragraph. If you have missed your lines. In those days, people who were found to be guilty of a serious crime were fed to wild beasts as punishment. Running away from one's master was a very serious crime at that time. Therefore, Androcles too was to be thrown to the wild beast. You must be thinking how cruel, how wicked those people are. We can't imagine throwing a person to wild beasts, but those were the punishment described for committing serious crime, and Androcles had done a great crime. What was that? Running away from the master. So in a closed area, you can imagine a stadium in front of your eyes. So imagine that people are sitting and watching this, and in that closed area a person is put in front of a ferocious lion. Third paragraph, in case you have missed your lines. On the appointed day, the emperor arrived at the circus and took his play. Now circus has different meanings. You must have seen a circus where the wild animal perform all the tricks, right? But here circus means a stadium. You must have seen a stadium. I am reading from the beginning, third paragraph. On the appointed day, the emperor arrived at the circus and took his place. The crowds cheered loudly. The trumpeters blew the trumpet, and Androcles was brought into the arena. His chains were unbound. He felt weak and dismayed. He was certain that this was the last day of his life. So on the appointed day means on the day on which the punishment was going to be executed. Even the king, emperor is the king, he arrived at the stadium and he took his high place. The crowd cheered loudly. You can imagine how cruel the people were. They enjoyed watching such punishments. The trumpeters, the trumpeter is an instrument, tutari sarkhasta, but it's somewhat like that. The trumpeters blew the trumpet. That was the warning that now the show has to be begun. Androcles was brought in the arena. Now arena is a place where sports, entertainment or other public events take place. You can imagine a stadium and a ground where events are held. So that is the arena. Earlier he was chained. He was put in chains. Now his chains were released. He was unbound. He felt weak and dismayed. He was worried, sad or disappointed because he knew that today was the last day of his life. It's very difficult to save oneself from the ferocious lion that is going to attack. Next paragraph. At the opposite end, a gate was raised and a ferocious lion was released into the arena. It had been kept hungry to make it more ferocious. Androcles was filled with fear, but he put up a brave front. At the opposite end, the entrance where we enter. So there was a gate, and in the cage, on the next end of the gate, a ferocious lion was released into arena. Now what they used to do? They used to keep this ferocious lion hungry for some days. Anybody will become ferocious if he or she is hungry. Even we feel आपण पण चिडचिड करतो ना, खूप भूक लागली असेल, अँड देन ॲज सून ॲज वी ईट we feel good, our energy level is up, and then we are again back in our original mood, right? So the lion has been kept hungry. Already the lion was very ferocious. So the lion was at the other side of the gate. Let us see what happens. The lion saw Androcles and rushed towards him, bounding and roaring, but suddenly it stopped in its track. Then it moved slowly forward. All its rage seemed to have melted. Androcles saw the lion. Each friend recognized the other. What happened? A great surprise. Lion rushed towards Androcles to attack because he was hungry and he saw his food in the form of Androcles in front of him. But then what happened? As it came near Androcles, it stopped in his track. That is, he stopped where he was moving. Why? How the animals recognize us? They recognize us by our smell. As soon as the lion came near Androcles, it could smell his friend, and then the rage melted. He was angry, ferocious, and that rage, the anger, violent anger, it suddenly calmed down because the lion met his old friend Androcles. Androcles too saw the lion, and the friends recognized each other. To everyone's amazement, the lion bounded towards Androcles again, but when it reached him, it began to purr and rub its nose against him. Androcles hugged the lion. He wept with relief and joy. To everyone's amazement, this phrase means all were surprised. They were expecting that now the ferocious lion would attack Androcles and eat him up, and they would witness that event. But opposite thing happened. Such thing nobody has witnessed ever, that the lion is licking and rubbing its nose against the person he knew. Androcles hugged the lion, and both friends were so happy to meet each other. Androcles wept with joy and relief because he knew that his friend would not attack him and his friend would not eat him up. Next page, page number 71.